Go. I go to school. You go to school. He goes to school. She goes to school. It goes to school. We go to school. They go to school. Drink. I drink water. You drink water. He drinks water. She drinks water. It drinks water. We drink water. They drink water. Read. I read a book. You read a book. He reads a book. She reads a book. It reads a book. We read a book. They read a book. Sleep. I sleep early. You sleep early. He sleeps early. She sleeps early. It sleeps early. We sleep early. They sleep early. Play. I play football. You play football. He plays football. She plays football. It plays football. We play football. They play football. Write. I write a letter. You write a letter. He writes a letter. She writes a letter. It writes a letter. We write a letter. They write a letter. Work. I work in an office. You work in an office. He works in an office. She works in an office. It works in an office. We work in an office. They work in an office. Study. I study English. You study English. He studies English. She studies English. It studies English. We study English. They study English. Walk. I walk to the park. You walk to the park. He walks to the park. She walks to the park. It walks to the park. We walk to the park. They walk to the park. Run. I run every morning. You run every morning. He runs every morning. She runs every morning. It runs every morning. We run every morning. They run every morning. Listen. I listen to music. You listen to music. He listens to music. She listens to music. It listens to music. We listen to music. They listen to music. Watch. I watch TV. You watch TV. He watches TV. She watches TV. It watches TV. We watch TV. They watch TV. Speak. I speak English. You speak English. He speaks English. She speaks English. It speaks English. We speak English. They speak English. Cook. I cook dinner. You cook dinner. He cooks dinner. She cooks dinner. It cooks dinner. We cook dinner. They cook dinner. Clean. I clean the room. You clean the room. He cleans the room. She cleans the room. It cleans the room. We clean the room. They clean the room. Wash. I wash my hands. You wash your hands. He washes his hands. She washes her hands. It washes its hands. We wash our hands. They wash their hands. Open. I open the door. You open the door. He opens the door. She opens the door. It opens the door. We open the door. They open the door. Close. I close the window. You close the window. He closes the window. She closes the window. It closes the window. We close the window. They close the window. Buy. I buy groceries. You buy groceries. He buys groceries. She buys groceries. It buys groceries. We buy groceries. They buy groceries.